Good morning students. Now today we are going to learn the term factors. What do you mean by factors? That I will explain you through an example. See, I have taken number 12. This 12 when obtained when the pair of two numbers multiplied with each other. Now let's see the pairs. When 3 multiplied by 4 we get 12. 1 multiplied by 12 we get 12, and one more pair we can say 6 multiplied by 2 we get 12. Now students, if we take this individually, all the pairs will come to know as 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Let's see, if we divide 12 by 3, 3 4s are 12. If 12 divided by 4, 4 3s are 12, the remainder is 0. If you are taking the another pair, that is 1 multiplied by 12, we get 12. That means if 12 divided by 1, we'll get 0, and 12 divided by 12, again we'll get here 0. This is the. Now let's take the third pair, that is 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. If 12 divided by 6, 6 2s are 12, the remainder is 0. 12 divided by 2, 2 6s are 12, that means the remainder is 0. Now we come to know here that 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So from this we comes to know what is factor. A factor is a number that divides a number without leaving a remainder. Now let's see the properties of factors. Now the first property. Students, you can divide all the numbers by 1 without leaving a remainder. That is the first property. That means 1 is a factor of every number. Now the second one, you can divide a number by itself without leaving a remainder. That is the second property. That means every number is a factor of itself. If you are taking the example of 12, what are the factors of 12? You can see 12 number itself is the factor of 12. Now student, let's see the third property of factor. Now you can see here the 12's factors are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now here the factor of 12 is equal to the number and rest all are smaller than the given number. That means a factor of a number is either smaller than or equal to the number. Now the fourth property, 1 is the smallest factor of every number, because you can divide all the numbers by 1. The remainder will be the 0. So 1 is the smallest factor of every number. Now the biggest factor of a number is always number itself. This is the biggest factor of every number. Now the next property, that a number has limited factors. For example, if you are taking the factors of 12, 1, 2, 7 and 14. Means the factors, there are 4 factors. We can count this. We can count the factors 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 12 is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 factors. Means a number has limited number of factors. Every number other than 1, all are having at least 2 factors. For example, if I have taken 17, now it is divisible by 1, rest it is not divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it will be divisible by 17 only. That means 17 is having 2 factors, that is 1 and 17. Now let's see the solution for this example. Find the factors of each of the following pairs of numbers, then list the common factors. Now the pair is given 18 and 6. First of all, we have to find out the factors of 18 and 6. Now 1, when we divide 1 to 16, the remainder will be 0. After that 2, 3, 6, after that 9 and 18. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. Get the factors of 18 and 6. Now we have to find out the common factors in both the numbers. Now here 1 is common. 1 is the factor of 18, 1 is the factor of 6. 2 is the factor of 18, 2 is the factor of 6, 3 and 6. So the common factors of 18 and 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. The next one 14 and 21. First of all, we have to find out the factors of 14, after that 21. Now 1, 2, 3, when we divide it by 3, we get the remainder, so it is not 3 is not the factor of 14, 4 not 4, 5 no, 6 no, 7 will be in 21 stable. So these are the factors of 14 and 21. Now let's see the common factors in this. 1 is common in both the numbers. After that 7 is common. So the common factors of 14 and 21 are 1 and next pair is 4 and 5. What is the factor of 4 and 5? Now 1 is the factor of 4, 2 is the factor of 4 and 4 is the factor of 4. 5, 1 is the factor. If we divide it by 2, we get the remainder. So 2 is not the factor of 5, 3 is not the factor of 5, 4 is also not the factor of 5. So number itself is the factor of 5. So what is the common factor in this? 1. The common factor of 4 and 5 are